Yak tawa tayo dyan. Bigla nag-maintenance ah.
Palabal tayo, let's go!
No announcement? Ah, wait lang. Doon ka muna, please. Doon ka muna. Sit down ka na doon, B. Sit down ka doon. Ayun lang. Big lang, 100 gold compare. Itong mga Pinoy na ron, hirap ng tan. Yawa. Big lang ang maintain server lang without notice, yeah. Okay. Probably sir getting attack by someone din. ODD. This is official classic. Having doubts. Anyway. Yep. So yun guys. 90. Hihintay pa ba tayo? Back online na. Back online na pala guys. Quick refresh lang. Pare. Convert. Yes, high priest. Isa-isa natin to, no? Okay, lalagin lang ako ulit. Dito, pense. Push na. Kumpe pa kayo mga boy. Yan, pare na. At hindi pag-isipan yung pangalan. Random shenanigans ng pangalan natin. Pero nakakita nyo agad 4. Skills. Tingnan natin muna skills. Holy Light, may blessing. The usual acolyte. May libreng ruwak. Magnus, Glory, Aspersion, Uy, yung Numa nandito na. Oh no! Mayroon bang kailangan dito? Yun lang Blue Gem ang kailangan talaga ng ME. Mana, SP Consumption. Uy, Baki! Leap of Faith. Doon ka muna. Sword loser ka talaga, no? Doon ka muna. This po, bago to, Leap of Faith, charge forward. Ito. Dispel all status effects, control bago yan. High priest meditation. So, mag-i-stick tayo sa ME. Excuse me po. Kulit lang pag nagano pa tayo dito, battle priest na, no? May Agi. Yung teleport. No Crucis. Leisure Acolyte. Anong build lang pwede? It's Tracer. And Undead. Let's check kung anong mga weapon natin. Uy, what's this? Dalawa. One and... Ay, ba't wala? Build. O, kailangan natin unlock yun, ha? Or meron sa ano? Meron sa... Wala. Wala dito. Guide. Ay. Maze type. Build it. Spike. Crit resist. Holy weapon. Uy, corrosive break. Bakit din ito ang hammer? Wake chance acid terror. Physical damage to you those who are broken. Uy. So, dalawa. Grand Cross yung holy. Holy skill damage. Uy. Spike. Resist ng ano. Great. And then yung Scepter. Heal type to recovery and curse. Turn undead nil. So, ayun nga. May fist ka pa. Pwede ka mag-fist. Eh, hindi. Pang ano lang to eh. Pero ang kulit eh, no? Pwede siya mag-face pero wala siyang ano, malang dongkrab. Uy, pampamilyar itong malang dongkrab nito. Triple attack for... Ayan. So, ayun talagang ano lang. Defensive or support ka. Ayun natin to. Auto add points. Let's go. Skill. ME, kailangan natin ng... Uy! Turn undead. Unlock in... Target survive this. Lock in. So, lock in talaga pa rin siya. So, no battle priest, pero... Dudex. Definitely Dudex. Lagyan natin ng skill. Saka na tayo magpapalevel. Wala tayo kasing weapon. Dawn Hammer. Ano yan? Oh! Gulat ikaw? So, punta tayo ng Divine Armaments. Spike. to. Oh.
Shout out, bossing, ho ho, master, Zorro, level tayo.
Police kill damage. Anyway. It's possible, pero not possible.
Pa-level tayo, let's go. Sibat like yo.
Kevin Dungeon.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Gagarabilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumak, tuloy lang, XP bar,
Hey.
umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Wow, walang quit, walang limit.
Hindi natin matatry MP. Unless bumili ako. Alam mo na. Roblox pa yan. Ano naman yung dalawa mo? Roblox.
Measure twice, cut once, paint na two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order, ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO man, umobaling. Same passion, same game. Same balay, cruise so tight. Gear and grind,
Gold.
buong night high.
Eden Coin.
Tayo, let's go. Say, Barley Girl.
Okay, five.
Cryo, create, never slow. This
Skill natin. I-auto na natin to. Kung turn undead. Bago ng 2 decks. Wait lang. Ito. Kulang sa decks pero pwede na yan.
Pa-level tayo, let's go.
Unless talagang gagamitin mo to, no? Eh, walang, parang pili ko no point eh. Ay, hindi yan. No point to you.
Ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Gagarabilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumak, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready.
Ito yung doppelganger card ka.
Click, respawn, laban,
Diba?
ulit.
Card.
Walang quit, walang limit. Yo! Bossing, ho ho, master,
Ito weak.
ready na. High level tayo, let's go. Let's go. Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On monsters, quest mode on. Say Balaliya. Literal, pa-level tayo.
Physical damage ng okay. Ito. Ito natin. HP.
Once, paint na two. Armor
Ano naman i-ano naman natin ito eh.
make the order, ready, fight.
Mga essential
Play
lang.
fresh, day and night.
Or familiar lang.
Umobaling. Same passion, same
HP crit. Pwede yung 0. Sa accessories. I-upgrade.
tayo, let's go.
Nga lang deck.
Barley Girl. Harvest through cryo, create,
Pwede
never
nga.
slow. This
Wala pa dyan mga brand yung
out.
enchantment natin.
Pa-level tayo, let's go. Sibat like yo.
So, ayun. ME.
Sword and shield, ready
ME kabudol tayo.
swings, tumamakana.
Wala ko pwede mag ano. Pero at least na-try natin sa CBT.
Let's go! Tumap, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isang bar. Click, respawn, laban, ulit.
Either
Walang quit, walang
magic user ka for exorcist or support. It, unless gumawa ka ng himalang magkaroon pa ng other function ng ano, maze hammer. Auto attack. Ball of fire.
measure twice, cut once, paint na two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order, ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO, mano mo, baling.
And this Roll of Dawn Nightmare Temple Parade.
Cruzo tayo, gear and grind. Buong night high.
Kasi you want ano talaga kuha ka muna ng ano, farmer mo na pwedeng na kaya mag-solo sa mga instances like yung sa Nightmare Temple o sa Star of Night. Hindi ka magpapalit until max level, save your job change fight. Kasi alam ko from global or C server 1 lang unless kailangan mo bilhin yung kailangan mo bilhin yung
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana.
job right.
Dagger bilis, double critical na.
If
Hammer, bahala na.
wala pa siya
Tuloy lang, XP bar.
well, I think meron na yata hindi ko lang napansin
Click, respawn, laban, ulit.
coin
Walang quit, walang limit. Yo!
social
Master, Zoro. Hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go.
card
Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On Monsters Quest,
Mother.
on Save Alali.
may nakita ba ako dito
Level tayo, let's go. From no gear to legendary. Game live as and true.
grocery shop
Measure twice, cut once, paint na two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order, ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO, mano mo, baling. Same passion, same game. Same balay, cruzo tayo.
function ayan pwede pala 1 million gender change voucher 10M good luck magpunta ng 10M for now kasi ang mga converter is kasama sa monthly pass. Ayan, testing natin dapat tayo ng mga character. Ito na yung beauty, ano ba ito? Hindi nakita.
Level tayo, let's go.
Hindi nakita. Or napansin ko anong plus niya. Deep sea. Ito yung deep sea natin.
Ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na.
Para kaya natin yung tsura.
XP bar, umakyat, loot check. Ready, drop na isang run, isang bar. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang limit. Yo! Ho, ho! Master, Zoro. Hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go.
Tayo na.
Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On Monsters Quest,
Alam mo, masters.
level tayo, let's go. From no gear to legendary. Look at game live as and true. Level up me and you. Measure twice, cut once, paint na two. built swak sa'yo to make the order ready fight cosplay fresh day and night
Curious ako dun sa turret.
same passion same game same my life cruise so tight
AV turret ba yun? Ang blacksmith. Tignan natin.
say burn like air harvest through cryo create never slow this our game let the world know shout out bossy ho ho master Zoro level tayo let's go saving Riker
Na-change tayo. Another 9 names na naman. Please, mas madalis na yan. Since we nasa CBT, kailangan tayo yung change lalaga-laga.
level tayo let's go save our life
Tama na 1 auto attack is turret. Turret which automatic attack. Flavor Master, dili 1 neutral. 37 seconds.
Hammer, bahala na. Let's go. Tuloy lang.
MVP sa boss.
Check, ready, drop na isang
Okay, build mo.
click, respawn, laban,
Maximum
ulit.
overcharge.
Walang quit, walang limit, yo. Bossy, ho, ho. Master, Zoro. Hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go. Let's go. Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On monster,
Ay, wag. Dito tayo sa guide natin. Merchant. So, merong hatchet, axe. No, hatchet and axe lang. Hatchet is one-hand axe. Mga turret to. Uy, lockpick. Spike. Tank build. Ang axe is axe boomerang. Uy. Heart attack. Ang isa pa. Heavy attack speed. I would say I would go unless magbubumerang ka. Pero mas mataas ang damage ng 200 pa rin. Skill user lang.